Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. So watch this video for 4 minutes and 31 seconds only. I'm sure you never lose your time to watch this video. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet toys. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Absolutely, crochet toys, often referred to as the Japanese art of crocheting small stuffed yarn creatures, come with a surprising number of benefits. Here are some benefits of making, owning, or gifting crochet toys. The first and the main one is improve fine motor skills. The repetitive motion of crocheting enhances dexterity and hand-eye coordination. Boost mental health. Like meditation, the rhythm pattern of crocheting can reduce stress, anxiety, and even depression. Encourages creativity. From designating characters to choosing color, every step involves creative expression. Develop patience and focus. Large or complex toys require sustained attention, teach problem solving, reading and adapting pattern challenges your brain and foster logical thinking. Sense of accomplishment. Finishing a toy brings a real reward and boosts confidence. Portable and relaxing hobby. You can crochet anywhere, making it an ideal hobby for travel or downtime. Eco-friendly and sustainable. You can choose natural fiber and make reusable toys over disposable plastic ones. Potential income source. Handmade crochet toys sell well online or markets, offering a side hustle opportunity. Bonding activity. Crocheting with friends or family creates shared experience and memories. Unique and personalized. Each toy can be tailored to the reception's favorite color, animals, or characters. Safe for all ages. With no hard part and hypoallergenic materials, they are perfect for babies and kids. Comforting and soothing. Soft textures make them excellent for cuddling and emotional support. Durable and washable. Unlike many store-bought toys, handmade ones are often sturdier and easy to clean. With the happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.